Welcome to qnawire.
All right, in question 81, they are asking us which reaction is spontaneous in the hydrogen fuel cell? Hydrogen gas plus oxygen makes water, or water makes hydrogen gas plus oxygen. So we want to know which direction, if we have hydrogen plus oxygen yields water, which direction is the spontaneous direction, this way or this way? So what we're going to do is look at the EMFs, the E potentials for these guys. So 2H plus 2 electrons yields H2, and that has an E cell or an E naught of 0, because remember that's our reference. Hydrogen gas is the reference, so it's 0. And then the oxygen, E2 or O2, sorry, plus 4H plus yields 2H2O. Don't worry about the bouncing numbers not being exactly the same. That's okay. And that E cell, that E naught, is equal to 1.23, and that's positive. And we want to know which way is spontaneous. Well, a positive E is going to be the spontaneous. This is part A. A positive E is going to be the spontaneous. So in order to get a positive E, we would need to subtract this minus this, right? And if we remember, the E cell is equal to the E naught of the reduction reaction minus the E of the oxidation reaction. If we want to go this minus this one to get a positive E cell, that means this has to be the reduction and this has to be the oxidation. And as written, hydrogen is going from 0 to +1 in this direction, going from left to right. It's going from 0 to +1, so that is oxidation as written, so that's correct. And oxygen is going from 0 to -2 oxidation number, so as written it is the reduction reaction. So the forward reaction, in this case the hydrogen plus oxygen makes water, that in that direction, that is going to give us the positive E cell and therefore be spontaneous. In part B, they want us to actually calculate that E cell. So we can just put in the numbers here. So again, E cell is going to be equal to the reduction reaction, which was the positive 1.23 volts, minus the oxidation, which was 0 volts. So our E cell is equal to positive 1.23 volts.